Yo, what's good people, it's Raheem Bogo again, back with another video. Now today's video is going to be about how to unlock your one-arm push-up. Now we've seen the one-arm push-up in animes and superhero movies, and we tend to think it's impossible to do, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Now throughout the video I'm going to show you what exercises you need to be doing to help build the strength to achieve the one-arm push-up. But before we get into that, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as I want to hit 500 subs by the end of the year, so help your boy out. Alright, so I started with some push-ups as a little warm-up. I assume you guys can all do push-ups. If not, try and do that before you even try to learn one-arm push-ups. Now the first exercise is archer push-ups. Now for this you're going to need a wide hand placement, and all you're going to do is just press down onto one arm while the second arm remains straight throughout the whole movement. Now this is a great exercise to build up that one arm pusher strength, and it's a great exercise again that will lead up to building the one arm push-ups. Alright, up next we've got assisted one arm push-ups. Now for this you're going to need a box, a bench, or maybe even a stack of books that you can use. And all you're going to do is just place your hand on there and just do regular press ups up and down, and that's going to build up your triceps and that one arm pushing strength. So realistically the box is going to help provide you some balance and stability when doing the one arm push-ups. Alright, now we got incline one arm push-ups. Now this is a regressed version of the full one arm push-ups, but instead you're going to use the box or bench as before, now as an incline, so it's going to make it a lot more easier for you and get used to the form. Now to execute this you're going to have your legs out wide, so this will give you some balance and stability which will prevent you from falling over. You're going to have one arm towards your side or behind your back, and then you're going to press up with the one arm. And also try to keep your shoulders from flaring out, as this will prevent any shoulder injury in the future. And to make it even harder, all you have to do is just lower the incline. So for this, now you can see I'm using a smaller box compared to the big one that I was using before. And of course, as you lower the incline, the closer you're going to be to achieving the full one arm push-ups from the ground, which is the goal of this video. And about the comment about not flaring out your shoulders to help prevent injuries, if you want a calisthenics based workout for your shoulders, click this video above.
This is Bankrupt Beats. Recognize suckers.
And finally, once you've mastered all the previous exercises, you have the strength to do full one arm push-ups from the ground. Now for the form, it's the same as the last exercise. Legs out wide, shoulders retracted, one arm to your side or behind your back, whatever is suitable for you, and then press up and down with the one arm, and then you're all good to go. And as I said previously, it's not a hard exercise to learn, especially in calisthenics, but it's a great exercise to look cool in the gym. You're going to be looking like you're training like Goku from Dragon Ball Z, and hey man, it's a fun skill to learn, and give it a go. So there you have it guys, that's the one arm push-ups. Follow these exercises and you have it in no time, trust me. Now if you want to learn the one arm pull-ups, watch this video right here where I explain what to do to achieve it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one guys. I'm out.